Just not feeling it today? Yeah, I totally get it. So for today's art zing, I'm gonna make it easy and fun. All you need is a big piece of paper and a big box of random art supplies. I've got all kinds of things in here. Fabric paint, I've got markers, I've got pens, pencils, woody stabilos, I've got gel pens, paint pens, gel sticks, chalk, crayons, it doesn't matter. So you're just gonna reach in here and blindly grab something. Just use whatever you find and start making marks. And this is a great way to familiarize yourself with some of those tools that you may have forgotten about or that you don't use very often, or even some of the colors that you don't prefer. And it's a really low commitment way to satisfy that art urge. Okay, so let's get started. Just grab a soda water, a tea, coffee, a glass of wine, I don't care. I like this orange vanilla. And I have my diffuser, and I like to use peppermint oil because it's really fresh. It's like a peppermint stick, and I use a lot of peppermint oil in there. I use like 6 or 7 drops, so it's not subtle, that's for sure. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. The idea is just reach in and grab the first thing that comes to you. This is just a piece of mixed media paper. You can use this, or you can use a sketchbook if you want to. You can use anything pretty much. Something that lies flat is probably good. And I'm just gonna get started. Just play. This thing has different color pen attachments on it too, so you can do different colors. I'm gonna reach in for something else. My eyes are closed. I'm not looking at what I'm gonna use my left hand. You can skip the water step if you want. If you don't have any water, you can just do without, it's fine. White Posca pen, probably not the best. There's a yellow wax pencil. I learned this from an artist friend of mine from Missoula, Montana. Her name's Ladypajama. I had an episode with her and she taught me this, so this isn't really my idea. I have to give her full credit for that. Ooh, more yellow. This is brand new. Look at that. Don't be afraid to layer. Don't be afraid to make nice big chunks of color too. I love this bright yellow, it's so pretty. Reach in. There's so many times when I watch kids make art and it's just so good, isn't it? It's kind of emulating that. This is a chalk pen. There's just so many different kinds of materials here. I'm using waxy stuff, I'm using water solubles, I'm using just regular pens. This one is water soluble. Let's see what happens when I layer it on top of this. That's beautiful. Graphite pencil. I like to erase it. I like that look of it being erased. Flip it around. You can write words, cross them out. It's just so much fun to play. This is really about play. If you are interested in any of these things, just check out the description below. One of the things that my friend who taught me this, Ladypajama, is she likes, oh, here's some fabric paint. She likes to draw animals and people and stuff, so maybe I'll try that when I find the right material. This is just fabric paint. I love that look of it just being smeared across the paper like that. I don't even rub it in too much. Oh, I already picked that one. It's weird, I must like that. She likes to draw people and animals. I think I'm going to draw an animal like a kid would draw. Got your legs, and then a head, some ears, little tail. Let's give it some spots. If it's cold outside and you don't have anything to do and you're feeling kind of restless, I often feel restless and I'm like, I don't want to just sit and watch a movie. I want to express my creative desires that lie deep in my heart. And I went to a yoga class this morning, and then when I was really excited to come back and do this. Don't be afraid to layer colors. Like these colors are really odd together, teal and red, and I just love layering teal and red. I'm getting some washes here. I'm just picking up some of this color and see how this resists it. Wow, that is bright. Oh. Don't be afraid to make a mess, because this is really not about outcomes. This is about exploring tools. It's about exploring your creativity. It's not about getting things done. It's about doing. It's about doing. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. It's really fun to see how things are going to work on top of each other too. It's a great learning experience. Now these things tend to turn out really colorful. You could do a basket that's that, you know, it has restricted colors in it if you want. There you have it. It's just fun, and I could do this all day, and I think I might. So cheers. So depending on the weight of the paper, the edges can curl up. See, it's a little bit curly, but just take some wax paper and a spray bottle and wet the paper on the back like that. Just spread the water evenly like so. Another piece of wax paper on top. And that way, when you put a book or something heavy on it to flatten it out, you don't get the book dirty. I'm gonna put it under my cutting board, which is a nice big chopping block.